Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to create a space in X. Spaces allow you to curate and share content with your audience. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. Look for the app icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. Tap on it to launch the application. Step 2. Once you're in the X app, locate the plus icon. It is usually found in the navigation bar or on the main screen. Tap on the plus size icon to begin creating a new space. Step 3. In the space creation menu, you'll see the option labeled Spaces. Tap on it to access the space settings and information. Step 4. Now, it's time to edit the information for your space. Customize the details such as the space title, description, and any other relevant information that you want to provide to your audience. This step helps in creating a compelling and informative space. Step 5. After editing the information, look for the Create Your Spaces button. Tap on it to finalize the creation of your space. Congratulations! You have successfully created a space in X. Now you can start populating your space with content, engaging with your audience, and sharing valuable information. Remember to regularly update your space with fresh and relevant content to keep your audience coming back for more. Thank you for watching, and may your spaces in X be a hub of inspiration and connection.